Let's take you to the world of the School of Behavioral and Social Sciences, where education goes beyond the conventional and takes into account multiple intelligence and experiential learning. Our curriculum is designed to nurture diverse talents through experiential and interactive approaches. But what sets us apart is our active human lab. Step into our state-of-the-art psychological laboratory, where students delve into the realms of applied psychology, be it clinical, organizational, or counseling.
With deep clinical ties, research focus, community outreach programs, we are producing a professional bunch of clinical psychologists who are ready to lead, heal, and transform. The students are able to take the clinical practice, they are able to take cases, and not only they are going out for practice, but they are also doing cases at Manovriti, which is our in-house counseling facility. At Manovriti, we have a band of clinical psychologists, counseling psychologists, and a psychiatrist which looks at and gives a closure to the cases. We are running a 24/7 helpline also at Manovriti.
Anchored across 4 vital pillars: psychology, political science, economics, and public administration. SBSS shapes the very architecture of a strong and enlightened nation. SBSS is not merely a school, it is a movement where education is immersive, where every encounter shapes character, and where every experience paves the path to a brighter tomorrow. Beyond academics, we instill ethics, values, and good governance skills. Social responsibility is not just a concept, it's a commitment embedded in the SBSS culture. We are not just creating experts, we are shaping well-rounded individuals. Holistic development is our goal, breaking down the silos of knowledge through diverse teaching methods. Our 360-degree coaching and mentoring ensures personalized growth. Life skills training equips students with self-management and social skills, preparing them for success beyond the classroom. Welcome to SBSS, where education is an immersive journey and every experience shapes a brighter future. Join us in cultivating minds, fostering innovation, and embracing the true spirit of learning.